Hello everybody, I'm here at Canadian Tire. Can you see that? Anyways, I'm here at Canadian Tire and I need to get a new battery for my car. I asked the guy, it's just positive and negative for the connections, and he wanted to charge me $83 for the labor to just take off 2 wires and put it back on. Yeah, I'm gonna buy the battery and I'm gonna install myself and I'll show you guys how. So I'm trying to start my car and it's not working. So good thing I'm at Canadian Tire to get a new battery. That's why I'm here. So look, I'm gonna start my car. And it's not working. So I'm just gonna install it right in the parking lot because why not, right? I get a $20 refund when I return my old battery to Canadian Tire. So I'll get $20 back and I'm already here, so might as well just do it right here. This is the new battery, this is the old battery. I'm going to swap them. Taking off the positive first. There we go. Just gotta shake it a bit. There we go, came off. Now we gotta do the negative. So after I got these 2 pieces off here, positive and the negative, there was just one latch down here. I loosen that one. That's just to hold the battery down. I didn't want to pay the $80.
That's exactly what I was thinking, man. Exactly.
I said $80 if I can do it myself for 10 minutes.
What are you doing, like changing the battery?
Changing the battery, yeah.
And then, so now, as they're doing the battery, I was thinking, the battery, you know, but the thing is, yeah, I noticed that it died, but with the BMWs, these things are at the back, eh? But that's easier, you're right.
Yeah.
$80, they give you half an hour and get your job done, right?
Spend $80.
Yeah.
If you need help, let me know. I'll come help you.
Thank you, buddy.
Take care, take care. New battery is now in. Now I gotta take off all of these plastic pieces here. Let's take off that one as well. So I put the mount back on. Just tighten that bolt there. I'm just gonna hand tighten it for now. Now we're going to put the negative on first. If there's a lot of corrosion around this, then you should clean it with like a toothbrush or something. This probably took me around, I'd say 15-20 minutes. Well, that's also because I was trying to figure out where to put my camera half the time, but if I wasn't recording, it'd probably take me 5-10 minutes. Got everyone looking at me weird, but I don't care. Looks like it's nice and tight. All right, and we're still outside of Canadian Tire here. That's how easy this was, really. My life's in shambles. Okay, we got power. And the car starts no problem. Okay, I'm just gonna pack up my stuff and go return the battery. You get $20 back after you return the old battery. So then I'll get my $20 back, pretty cool. So I'm gonna go do that right now. So the car does have some codes on there. And then these 3 are new. I'm going to either take that to the Volkswagen dealership. Hopefully they can erase them for free. Or like when I get an oil change, maybe the Mr. Lube will do it for me. But yeah, we'll see. We'll figure it out. I forgot to add this part in the video, but after I started driving, all of the lights on the dashboard actually went away. So all the problems that I was talking about previously, they all just went away after I started driving. Like I just turned my car on, put it in drive, drove like a couple feet, and it just turned off. So all those lights are no problem at all. Hopefully this video helps somebody. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.